Assalamu alaikum bari ngol ngali konto ngokola ngali bismillah kabondi kibaro network nal bari ma pamane bi arami salungo julai karo tili tan sabani killing 2025 nata mon nanka kibaro sambalena kibaro to alba moyla funding ke fere mo yalon ko wadi amuta ay jabiro ke Peter Gomez la kabiring Peter Gomez ay kuma kangol fay mandin kol kan ay modol kumandi ko wol musuloleti andum frank aban kango moy mun keta mandinga ko wala yatina moli e bangato mo fele adiamuta ya jabi jamale ya jabi anda min jabi sifale ke Peter Gomez lal bo mo nyin kacha ko atela diamo kola mo do mi yalon ko ala diamo sebentiya adiamta Peter Gomez la kola wo fana yimi kuma kan sifale fal bo mo lal wala diamo kola fondinke do diamta ay jabiro ke wala diamta mo la kula mun keta Musa Susoti mu yalon ka keta num deputy governor tinu West Coast region jamale diamuta anda mine fo Musa Siso albo mo la nyin kacha ko meduno ka jalle kono ngalla moy kuma ka on ngamin soto kola sinanga jibero ki afuta nyaminna budun ka mol tentu ke jayi ke nimbara mul yalla wolle kala moy banko kono nim banko bantala annal badi ma pamane la baraka ba jalla
also people in the media should deal with a lot of caution on the way they actually operate their media houses. Now I want to focus this conversation on Peter Gomez, whom I have taken time to listen to this morning, and of course took time to listen to his interview, with Attack the other day, even though I did not personally think, is a lot that we could, deal with in a more professional way. But people haven't talked about that issue, criticize you on the basis of your professional work, to say that if you have an interviewee and the person is actually making, generalizations that could actually upset or cause conflict, you as the interviewer, it's your responsibility to actually take some steps to address that. You don't allow your interviewee to go on a rampage ranting against an ethnicity. And if you do that, then you will be held responsible and accountable in a way or another. Not just the person saying it, but you, the interviewer, who could have, played that professional role to divert, the conversation to something else, or to probably say, no, halt it there. I don't think that's a good generalization. Let's look at things differently. It's a professional way of conducting interviews. I will not go to a radio and start talking about things that probably would cause anger and animosity in society, and the interviewer, being that professional, not able to control or curtail that conversation to something else, because it becomes your responsibility, to kind of act swiftly to control the interview. And that is why you don't allow your interviewee to control your interview as the interviewer. So if people come out to say, oh no, Peter could have done better, which I believe that Peter could have done better, even though, the interviewee could have said some things that might not, but allowing him to go on and on and on without stopping it, at a point you, Peter, realized that what this guy was saying was wrong. Because why did you tell him not to mention names if you know that whatever he was saying was right? You could have let him mention names. Now, if you have the feeling that mentioning names was going to be a little more than expected, then you should already know that what he was saying cannot be something that you could allow to continue going on the radio. Money, I'm 100 digger. One thing about me, I don't care what you believe in, what you don't believe in. It doesn't matter the personality involved. And we're not scared of anybody. Peter was wrong. In a way, Peter has a responsibility in this. In a way, if something happened like that, he has a responsibility to say, you know what, try to control your interview. And failure to do that, and people coming out to tell you, hello, you could have done better. And then after solving this whole crisis, Peter came out today to actually call people monkeys? Really? Really, you have the audacity to come out this morning after solving this whole issue, because you have been called out, you have been criticized for not being able to control that interview, that what came out of your radio was more or less, a generalization that affect an entire set of people in our society, that you could have in a way controlled, or in a way you are responsible for one thing or another, because one, it's your radio, second, you were the interviewer, and of course, third, you failed to control the interview, and of course, allow that person to go on a rampage to say whatever he wanted to say, to a point that you realized that what he was saying was a little bit too much. You did not even stop it, but you went on to tell him that, oh, don't mention names. Peter, you knew what this guy was saying was wrong, but probably that is what is in your heart, because you've just poured out your heart today. And then to tell people, that They are not even beneficial to the country. They are not beneficial to the people they seek to defend. Golo regular, golo dumusa by egg. And then somebody would tell me that, oh, that is Wolof. He's just trying to, kind of give it in an idiomatic expression or probably, whatever thing that you try to. Who does not understand Wolof? Let me tell you, Golo, money. Let me tell you, if tell me rubbish and I tell you Golo regular, and then you tell me, oh no, I don't refer to you as a Golo. What does that mean? You refer to human beings as monkeys? That Golo regular. You can't again, Peter Gomez. Hey, Payini, Gambia, never got time, Mohammed, and we tell you the truth. Nobody is scared of anybody in this country. You don't get into certain kind of things. And more so, an issue that has been put to rest, but because people called you out, you feel you are infallible, you are untouchable, you are that person who has that big ego that nobody can ever say, Peter Gomez, you could have done better. Who are you? Who are you? That nobody could say, no, Peter, as I interviewed you, could have done better. Who are you to actually call out anybody and everybody that said that, oh, Peter could have done better, to be people that really are hateful, they are not beneficial to society, and you came out on a big rampage insulting everybody, and you think you gain anything from it? Gambia, it is the same Peter Gomez that how do you call it, Sankare went to allege Usain Obojang of killing the cops. Amanda Walade, Kabirin Kiti Bonko, bring your interviews and all of those things to court. He went back and called back Sankare to go and criticize and castigate the same court that actually told him to bring, a copy of that recordings. Peter Gomez, by Mohla Wasindago, Mukati Nyani Matari to Chakwe. Kapusha, Tabanya Bling Purirunku, Natafal, the Kajali Kusada in public space. But a lot of people have a lot of respect and love for you, but then probably it's got to stop now because you do not deserve it, because you cannot come out to say people who actually, in a way, I wouldn't even call it attack. Maybe other people attack you, but then other people genuinely raise concerns that you as an interviewer could have done, you as a veteran journalist could have known, but of course you did not do it. And then you have the audacity to take credit that ST and this particular person have reconciled. It was never about ST and attack. It was about a generalization on an entire ethnicity that you kind of repeated today to say they were claiming to be defending an ethnicity that they have no value for. And of course, a monkey is just a monkey. Who are you referring to as monkeys? Are you literally referring to people of that category people of the ethnicity that said you could have done better, who were angry about everything that happened, and then you kind of come back today to say, you know what, monkeys are just monkeys, they're useless? Ita fisiana jumalati Peter Gomez. Ita ulunya nyate jumalati Gambia Bangkoka. Hey, there are things that are very unnecessary. This case was put to rest, but because you harbored that anger that people called you out, you felt you are just infallible, you are untouchable. Are you infallible? Are you God? That nobody would tell you that, Peter, you made a mistake? That you can come out and tell people that they are monkeys? And then look at it from our social settings. What do we associate monkeys to? Destruction, good for nothing. They're just destructive. And then you refer to a set of people in our society who criticize you for somebody insulting their ethnicity and then label them as useless people who have no benefit to their own ethnicity. And of course, they are just monkeys. That no, it doesn't mean that you are a monkey. What are you trying to tell us? I don't know you are a multi. When it not gonna moment to Yamana, Yonga Kodara Mugola Munala, Golo do Musa Bai, Nanamako Wahuna Yogolonga, Lana Bugafuno. I think this guy is overly overrated because at some point you get to a point that you can tell how much anger and animosity is feel in this person. But let's be honest here. Peter Gomez, you could have done better, and other people kind of castigated you. How about the person who sat on your radio and kind of castigated, labeled, and characterized an entire ethnicity in the Gambia? Itako wal manya na kamfala but wali afwete nyami ngo nyemi for jaman to nya fa manti kuma fo mimbe ya danda ite you have a responsibility in ite findi na ite ko kamfala sa waldu Ita sa kam fa yo wala si. Na man fo ila radio to juma na je pour kam fa data ngidal. Afoda jela to wala na mol finde ko moro nyimmin kana jama nyankela andu ibe sirine ba la mela feka fa ko kana mol to wota be min fo kana kuyate no nyanta fa ko moro da woto ngakudo jibe ka to itala professional training should have trained you in that line, which you failed to do. And then you come out today to castigate and further insult people, and then nobody should say it because they've, oh no, why Kirib Karabino is the. These are the kind of things that we continue to ignore that would actually ignite our country, because people feel so entitled that nobody should say anything to them. You know one thing about me? If you talk about other people, I still tell you the same thing. So if you talk about another whatever, I tell you the same thing. I don't pick and choose battles. It's not even a battle. It's about telling people the right thing and telling them the truth. Those are radio and talk, they accuse you of all kind of lies. And even though you know that is not true, you did not do anything about it. The court asked you to bring interview, recordings. You dropped the interview recordings at the court, and you came back to invite Sankare to kind of castigate the court for inviting you people to come and testify or to bring those recordings. But then the court will not actually subpoena or actually charge you for contempt of court. Your entire radio, somebody sat there and then said something entirely to an entire ethnic group. And then the funny thing is, you see other people now, no, of course, I don't agree with people putting other people's parents in there. But the generalization on that ethnicity, did people fall from the sky? If you make a generalization on an entire ethnicity, who did you leave behind? Who did you leave behind? Including grandparents and everybody. That is a generational insult, a generational characterization, and a generational labeling. That is why you don't make those kind of hasty generalizations on a set of people on tribal, lines. Because and somebody did that, insulted you, insulted your parents, insulted your grandparents, and somebody would tell you, no, but don't talk about his mother, don't bring his mother into the equation, forgetting that that person's statement actually did not just stop at your own parents, but went on to your even ancestral. But then sometimes when people speak, they pour out their heart. It's something that is long harbored. It's not that because somebody insulted them and they came out to say, oh no, either you take credit that estining diatal whatever for estining attack la dia ndolla mun haji sun kandine boto. Molla mun haji sun kandine boto. But then you have the audacity to defend that, yes, kudos to West Coast Radio and of course something Dabo who actually facilitated that all of that. What is there to actually praise West Coast Radio for insulting people? Is that what you want to praise your radio for? Instead of coming out and take some responsibility in it and say something like this will never happen again, we would learn from it and move on. But then you came out to actually last out your dirty lining on people. Kind of again, matter on Jagwe. Olera bando wanyamburu lentulalo barari. Ntinyani mbi wanyama chuma la ulu respeto. Aja manya ulu respeto kakawolo because ulu respeto is reciprocal. Mam de kapone kikara banyanga babling tumba kaka kajakuma wechuna fa we mjina fa matari into mundu namme nyanga tefri uradio kar entire ethnicity. On top of it, we mkati kwe kaka what is ikarte komutanana, and then you don't want anybody to tell you anything. Who are you? But because we don't intend to stay too long here, but the fact of the matter is that telling people that no, why it's not important you bring in people's parents. But then the person that said it, what did he leave behind? Again, to say that you're taking credit for those two people coming into terms. If the problem was merely those two people, why did you have to insult an entire ethnicity or characterize them in a negative light or accuse them of tribalism? But that is not even my point today. The whole point is, why would you, Peter, come out and insult an entire people simply because one or two were castigating you or holding you accountable? Are you infallible that nobody should tell you that, Peter, you could have and should have controlled that interview in a better way? As a veteran journalist that you are, you should have known better and, of course, act better, which you failed to do, either deliberate or whatever, but then you failed to do it. And then people will actually call you out for that. Why do you think you are better? Why do you think you are better that nobody should tell you anything, Peter Gomez? Yeah, I can. Hey, Gambia Metonya for and then telling people that, Imam Fenna Fanyumbanko and they are useless, and of course a monkey is just a monkey. You don't characterize or label people in that fashion, because we know monkeys are totally and completely associated with destruction. Peter, who want to destroy? Who is destructive? Which people are you referring to as destructive breed of people? Are you better than those people? What have you done in the Gambia that other people did not do? By exploiting little people that come to work on your radio? Is that what you're trying to tell us? Or that you're contributing to national development? How? What have you done better in that country? Does that mean that if you do wrong, nobody will tell you? People are every day calling out Barrow and telling him things he could do better and things that he is not doing better. But of course, he is not doing what you are doing to come back to your radio and sit on your radio and castigate and insult people again. After everything has settled down, you can't forget. Go. Near at radio Malay Molden, Molbina telephone Malalay, Yalam be moment we will take it nice. But near Nendroke Jankodangaful and Yasabanya, we will tell you what you've never heard. I don't belong to no whatever ethnic here and there. But the fact of the matter is that the common denominator here is the Gambia. And we cannot watch people destroy our country in this fashion, because they have scores to settle and they don't know how to settle them, and they think that they could just say anything and castigate any kind of people. This is not nice. This is not nice. This is not who we are. And when you make mistakes, accept you are not, not that you are actually kind of untouchable or you are a master of everything, even in your own profession. This is where you made the mistake, in your own profession. How about things that you probably do not know? So if you can make mistakes in your own profession, learn from it, accept that, of course, this was a mistake. And every Gambian knew that was a mistake. And if you think it was not a mistake, but Attack has apologized for whatever he would have said. Your radio's responsibility was to give out a communique to say, because what Attack said was wrong and he apologized for it, but the medium in which he said it was my radio, I take some part of responsibility. And not just that, but because you were the interviewer, then you bear some responsibility in it. And then you deliberately want to put all that aside and come back to castigate and insult people. You know that I'm so disappointed in this Koto, man. If I know why. I'm not going for no wrong. But Gambian bed and the one thing about me, if I see a man write something that is not right, I tell you, hey, you coming for the Ntonyati. And if I see a different person say something that is not right, I will tell you, more coming for the Ntonyati. So what do Peter Gomez say me for Ntonyati? Come for Moleko, Sula, one another Santoselo Baila, Walla Monti, Dumalo Sula, Willa Multi. Ninkuma sifal wala nyara wala nyanda bola kupila Gomez dagono antara monare tele radio to amanke ko mu ko na interview fo da fonga be siring iba interview ka be mo benna making those kind of very expensive generalizations that could actually set that country in flame. You deliberately did not put a halt to it. You let it flow just freely and openly like that, and people call you out that you could have done better. Even basic ethics of professional journalism would tell you, Peter, you could have done better. And you know that. I don't need to teach you that. I'm not a journalist, but basic journalistic, ethics would tell you that, Peter, you could have done better. You could have actually interjected and actually redirect the interview to something else. Or to say, oh no, that generalization would not be fit enough to actually air on this TV. Let's get into something else. You could have avoided it. Or even whereas it is said, you could have come with a little statement to kind of say, of course, it's a live program, it's a but then allowing it to continue. Don't mention names. Bro, fana why? If an alanga tonya for Nunue, then betonya fasa for the greater good of our country. But we cannot pick and choose. But it tells a lot about who we are and how we are as a people. We got to show love, man. All these animosities and harboring all this. When I listened to this guy, first I did not even blame Attack. You see how I considered it? I actually considered that to be more or less, to be some delusions. Because such delusions exist. eka mol jele ye fuela na fulolla ye fuela dunia fengolla. They blame people until they think that their own biological mothers are witches and wizards. They even blame their own family members, or maybe they are responsible for their failures. They are delusions that people go through. But when people are going through that, you help them, you don't disassociate with them, you don't castigate them, you don't insult them. So when I saw attack did then go, so what you want if they are just delusions, I don't even consider that to be a big thing. But I consider Peter's insults today to be deliberate and intentional. To call people monkeys, that a monkey will never stop climbing. Peter, if that rubbish was not said on your TV or radio station, nobody was going to say anything about you.
Yo, assalamu alaikum, batalin komanda. Mo be samal bi aram so somandara o mi dola mo be kero. Ngani manu min o de kilitan ay ko mon folon to nyati. Alon defo fo moli ngoy ko Peter nyindino la bula mandin kolla. Dino bula mandin kolla ale nemo adi abata Peter en. Yalo beto yalo fo la nyoy. Mata la to nyata ba. Adi ata Peter en. Yalo mo na mon kulu bira dindin. Aman fellon bira dindin. Hata tara ke bata no fellon bala ka continue. Fujen ni sa ya bata. Peter kero mo lati. Bari ni ite manke din fotam ke bata manke journalist ko din fo journalist ke bata mo man yana tallo le tla di station auto akabula shiala kuma tin bala fo shie ibe siri ibala moy kan bra futa media house la karo e mon para media house stof asipita ko besta nafiki ya fon tawol dukare nga dani alin odi na fanne odi janjandi ay de dum forum jama kon yalon sayin mandin kolo diamo wato sita kabul kallo ila sie ine bola sie a wato sita kulubale a meta tamal mandin kol kan bala firin ko meta tamal mandin kol kan muna saba tamal mandin kol kan sai mandin kadin ba furu ba din dole fanan bin mandin kol kono min yo sabu mandin kol mandin kadin kuno le mandin kol kono mi yo sabu mandin kol o mandin kadin kuno le kalo nyim jangai media to ike jafe nyum mandin kol kan abuka ci fenkande fo politiko kamo kilum makoy mandin ko ke sebet mandin ko le sabu mandin ko kalo ka nyum anyum mandin ko ke dim kuroti mandin ko le sabuja damal neje ndinu fati ala abu bulan mandin ko la mandin ko nen ayalo ninga mandin ko nen mandin ka dum le binalo le nyoko ke yam fasa wala duwato de imaja na akata ba mo mandin ka dum le koma pour akaka mandin ko apologize mandin ka dum ka accept ay ko ha alinga yam faye anatla bolo sero ke ni ayete bana amete dimi ayete fana amete dimi okay ite accept ga fa nti yam fate ne de bari mandin ka dindol man wala karola nte finna no ngafem fono oto ani mandin ka dinni misisano mbal yamar lambe fay yamar mo kana bulal shebela aka ninga kono kafa akal kuma da ka fa ko ngala apologize la ka songol dal be sunna ala fa ko yemin fo muri fo la mol kay ya fo ko ngamin fo benna siele la wala fa lu min da ta les da ya fa le sie alina songo ma sai na alina ke kilomota bari moten tel siene na ikanan de kay ka fa ko lefta nga ke kilomoti haye yam fanye ntel ma ce ku mbelo la mbele siele ni mbele siele fo ngo bulan kurto du la siele nimbe da kala kilo nga cikin nte kala kilo budun mfalante ni misala baytante sienen na foy ko no fa ye jemi ye tambiyela yena murun kanko take iko ha ngay fo dani ibulle ntele tonye nga so wala soma ninin ko take yena lo duniya ko take ka fa may nga mfulate sien min da tan dai nga fo le sie iman kuno je no din kurmo da ma be sonno nte buba jam men tla man nin ka din kurmo da mala be sonna wala ha anu man nin ka din kendo fanan sonni te da kala ina program kono ko take mo kana bulel sira ay bulel sila ay sira fa kono fa iko yita kana wala support ni ake to man nin ka din kurmo ata din kurmo du pita ko sinate ma hakiloto abe finno len banko kan bayla en coffee time alen ko be munno sense time lati ha alen nafiya time wala min nim boyo lota ay la station auto asara kam man jako to fala program ko na ba ko ndemlan hay ba ko ndemlan no sara kam man jako to mention ala program ko ndo abe aba stop la ato sonnal sila mun ba no ato be sonna yin o mo ni ko to mention la program ko molbe wulle ba bo fala ta kana bulan wala ka fe ko golo la ni sulo musulo do neti sewo fana mu sewo do neti batu balu do sewo subola ati ya kar mujo sewo ko do la do yalla bandin kol la wala tala do be ni sita ngamira nka jakal ha ngame fo ndega na man ninki akanu nyame fo ñin dol mel man ninki akanu nyame malo nte man ninko mom wala fita ininte ñosoto ni baten fo le fo nen inna ñosoto ko le ala joration bani ban non sire chene bayt it imante bandam man imante dam man imam fa dam man ite man ninka shebel ne birindu na tonkon nano beto oto mbaytan de ko ntel man ninka diya ngakanule nte banke dankato dindi man ninka dankato di won lebe sonna nyin nyi yebule shebe la yenen ay nafina kakal apologize la ko apologize ta da rijmal batnal batala almum bula bala almum bula fala le abasa mbokk yon da la fa sa mbokk yon fal kaka al kana mol fawdi amol leja ni min bel dim kuru yala nay mi kuma fa akunde ta afante yam faden bar kana bonu man ninko tolat ha kana fintin nin man ninko tola momo sontal afanto sontal yam fatay bar man ninko ko nana ta kabe dan man ninko ko idan ma man ninko ti afay ko an intel karolo ni si sabarno ban ni man ka do la karolo nda sabarno la wato muru man ninko be kan no ha ay ta pita station auto ay tan man ninko ko ngam faale mbe suru wala la man man ninko na ofo mbebe am fala o chala baraka bako
ela ko bala fa wara na itla ko bala fa wara ba tale boy mo la banko buru to akun ko to boy ni mam bala fa sukutan kole yala kayen si falake nal mama nda nder be musabi jin kollet look at this sabi be problem mum kon sab west coast from problem mum kon mo solfo rek yela keno be busi bulo kon adam barol de nyimbe sab ite mom bala fa soto atel katin ko momu yalon ko ama wulu hadama dilin fon kon atala wulu afa wula bala ko mo yalon ko molti itla banko be position o munto itla tunto moy te wata lamento wolbe kumbo kanga adam baro e mun lawol kanga kela bul boyndi e mod la dula fa soto adi mama nyollo keta kenol lo wolti ite wulu do sato ko ite ka lo sato ko e kafa ko 3 million yol ditala ite ka namunela ha musa yakil tu to yaknya miro do atal wallahi billahi ite ke lo kafo tematen adam baro bara sabi ding la kumbo na sai amanke west coast tunduka sabi jin kolla nyin dula bayi wol se kay adi musa darabe fonnin col mun fintita ngabro fonnin col e kalo e kafo le kon telbe musukutan kolle delbe musabi jin kolle so o kuma kan ni nafiki yalo ban fo da banka nafiki yalo musa hakiltu bay broda no it's very sad man definitely itela ko bala fa warna billahi wallahi taala ite mun konande yalla be sonna moko no very sad ko last time fana ngamoyle e ko e dimmu so tara meeting do dadon to o kabriya bo UDP meeting lo yo ko man telephone re kay sayna for ite katin ko ni ne man tara politico fanko political system o fanko musa boy atil kal hakilo to mintu ma fana ate katara dum katara sirim banku din kun kan rek ila self interest kam boy ko bala fa watal nak boy ñi ñante ngomala say boy yebo tapal diamal fula mu yalon kan nin am abuka sense for me am ndak kendo ko furo wulu furo ko kendo wulu am ko ite dinglu mu wulu wala barakate tete wala fisate tete kende ke fa ko so banku ko ite man banku ko ali tele wulu look at this ite dingle fisate tete ninde faamu de ndete la ko momoy nte dam ko la fa ad ni takira ali ite lo dinglu mu musole fa e man ke kewol fa musol lo wolde parole jibe bay ni suku tan ko du ñoko ñam bay tan ni mo ko du ñoko ni yira e be ko ni na damen rek yelo e ka fay ko tel be mo sabi jin kolle kon be kumbo kan e be ke ñafita ba ni tata sita e si fanka ko ita mo sabi jin kolle pour wala tete no sabi jin kolla la hakilu ñu mano ñin kala fe alla ñaajiyo ayal kada ñala nata ta sita abe ko ni la ayal use al kanyo fasa ñom ñala alal ko di ñi musala ñin tam mo kendeti ñinte mo kendeti de ñi ñende taraw po mayel tule ama ngena bola ji ñende tarra jele nun ama ngena bola ja niyo fanga ji ñi mandar banku kudo luka dis musaka diam ñame han say kololo o kodo ñi naso ma ko mala ka ñame diko si ni laadu lalo yo so e be sataw temale sataw temay bodo ila koda be sila balaka say mun kon ko le muta mun kon ko le muta musa walakin karewte dal idi on jibe be kayro soto kam idi musa fula wala be Angleterre mune mi la problème moti mune muy la problème moti aji be din be kayro soto kay man rek kayra soto kam ye man wala be kayro soto kay man rek kayra soto kam aji siba yela bungon ye mi raba it is since sanyi mu an konto komanto tapale yaro bandiya de ka trabalu kanten ñim fam mu nati yaba ñu mukola akola abe kele kero kele kero ina man kero soto kabro time ngel kata meeting le tala soko e man ra kero kono itam fe ko be kero kono e man ra kero kono musa bara di idinglo jibe ba idinglo ba mira ko itla be futura Angleterre malal damane e mo mira bara jibe be life ken dokon so wole kero so itam kero soto ita ba ko e be kero kono mo be barono ma man ra kero kono ma fala support kenson ba tele kumba sifa mu yalo ko kiki yang al man rek kayra kono do ya rek ak tawol kono very sad wallahi andile la ñu foolishness diamo la mo la banko kamba ita me fete dia mo stupidity le ba baro ko ñu kono mum be sunya aka joñin kono mum be la kabe mabule nala wato sita wate menna amanka ko nen debito la wato sita wala council ten no borom ka ko dum ko baro kala ko dum ko si falle ko ala interest ma sa mun dala interest le nakam debito la interest man dar nakam council la interest man dar nakam meyo la interest man dar nakam baro la interest wato wala sita say na bala ko do bonde ka e kallo ka fa mole ko mole dono jumala wati musa boy bala fa suku tan ko le boy ani mam bala fa no bla bari wuro dabe bala fa woli bala fa woli ite mun le problème oti musa ifan bouton muta bang mon la banko kanyum kuma kalanta fora boy yala automat le ya jama mako suñaro la ya start ko di ya jama la ñun suñaro be ite ni yankuba touré atele kanyum be tapal ni ya jama la mansa banda ayal kong e kaba nane na man la fa anene ya jalla live ko ite ya jama content e maje baro fanan di sem play buko I all take la side nim politico sita e use nim politico banda e fay ite hakil la ba ñim ke ñamal very sad man ila ko abala fa warata really I know you very well ite fal na silamba sañum wonnim fule be yaaje man woten nim politico sita ye use na banda ye bay bari mile 2 ila bunga bije du ñing kono du problème o kono kote fo nga moy ko musa suso tolbe safiri ñimbala ko min ko aji ban ko suso ila selo kono motela la je be mur la je kote albula barono ma tala mo la bango na flotu ñala bari baro ko lolu nga ngin nan kamol di karle ma jono mile 2 bitaji ya la lom baro la kulile bala faji al continue bula barono ma ay tala mo la bango na flo kasar baro be fem fem boget la tangina la baro ka safari ke bara la brain ko fem fem dunda jab ka boji baro ko lolu musa suso ngani nan kamol di ala meteno me la soko yalla ya jame yemu tara yebula daniro ita nintele mu den tete bula diko sa be taw ko mo la ko dol ite yo safe life mullo ak leo safe life mullo jam way banku di nyamala safe sako sukuta dina fonni kon mulan ko ka kusma ite to idi am tawole otumo nyim 1 million mandi a sayno 1 million be dika foytani Amad Sankare mum be dundi foy 1 million sila masi bara le fonni kol be kuru ye la mulal ite kana muru ko fonni kol de kebla problème ko ko boy ite de fanya nyim bandi akula ba musa ite fam budon mutala ba alama mundi la kanay fam forcer akam am de la life be tata tane bandi ya nyim bandi ya tapale yalla pour yebalu mu ne problème mo ha o 1 million mu yalon ko ibo domande mu sote ba bulle poso kono ni sita before ba for 2 months 3 months nim programme bante itna ko do fam kala non e to bula social media kon tari e be dingil fala malo ni ngata posti YouTube le TikTok Facebook ni ngata post wolote e dingil katara sering e nyaabe nyin very sad ite diam lo diko si famalo mit boy nyum fasi fa alma len tangan ngi na way diko si ze greedy man since man sa jol jolo nat tenno be katara ten ni mama ndeta lo sukuta e bol to usla ajibe wole sefo tofo ye alkalol tof e mol to ko ya wata askeno ite mala fen ni budgeto dila e bita e be bal e benin sol sanna domandi mun sotla yo bule poso kon alkalo tajala sefo tajal e bol be to ko ya do mu sukuta dinglet sabe ji dinglet wala famille te diam no le imango ma han say baka e be budgeto fo la mun yalon ko adin kurtuma na sako den ko boy te fa mbuto mu dala ba ila nyum kumba ko kiki yang boy ah ibe koto kan sa ite ni nyaatrin na ba ite la korda ni jaman fente tema garaso la jaman fente ji so enyim be tapal eta siwo jaman ko ko be juma salol atela sabi jum ko be kumbo kan ila silo mu yalan ko jonne ma lo sama ya silo beta wol be wosi ka wala ite ko lo sada ko ka volé ko 3 million wala be mulun kana programme fo ite kun akaputa la ba fo musa no toya masata la daro no way boy sanyu mo wonum fulete tan yin tapale ya bandi yala kono ite kay la be la life be tan fo lu melne be dan ibite dan na sugura bare ko han say man cool no boy nyim bandi ya cool nyim tapale ya cool nyim bandi ya cool nyim tapale ya cool e dingilte ya marano la no toya musa ite la dale no sanke moyte blatandro moyte bla rek ibe sugude alfal tol yusla taring wata kete nyuna mole la muli alon ko momol bo la folo wol hani yol diam kaw ko suguda dimo fa bari kete sugudan ko le yusla diko saf ibe falen to mun sokla wada man no nyinde male ka jumal fek ñi 1-3 million client je mum botat mo yeduni dala hani MP mulbe MPP wol nene mela kodi bonne mo be MPP wol nene man ero talludo fa bonne kaduni MPP pati on kono be ka bona min dol ñim business man lom sama sinin e bita sukuta mara soleto ya bondi e sukuta namu jola la kodo e kolta o business man on to ko sini nata marso kono nyawol lomba kordal lomba lempo alka namol mul beju abe ka min tol e ka wala bibi la o budgeto be ka bona wol nal nyaamata mul nyaamama sukuta kol ñin 3 million abe bolal kolto musa mbe diam kana be tapale be bandiya to nyate akilinta koto musa mu bandiyo tapale wala mati 3 million be bota adam baro jifolo kono banko dilla namolo alla nam ko dolom nyim businessman wala kana mural kanne e ka business wol tay ke fon dal ko landal al kana o e ka ko di munku masi ka yadi adam baro la e du ngatale foirol kan yalla namu yalla ye business o kolendal bulo ko ni manomu wuli kilnete e ko e wuli fula diko si tella important itelle ko do nyinta ya amun kuma asika yadi adama barola adam baro tada de nyim bandi kumbal la ko kikiyang musa bayni mul ba nyoral imi da han ten da hal e be kan ngoma ndere fana kan ngoma ni la nyum kumba fini wanya wato wadi fana be fin la nganda tili ko sa tele ke datila la be ka fenkal baral badul fana ba mo le mun fokali mu ne la problème mot hano safe life ye fandum dige tapale ala ye dige police do man ni soto e may say ete ka mun sura kena famul am kena fa fen am kena fa fen because ni da findita etata ye nyim bogede sifal ta ye dada ye di adam barola ye bogito sika hadila because adam baro be sulan karta kasol am sula fen bi mun tambe da karta kasol bara batle bandi kumba le tala aliyata aliya mo la katka so sunya ali adama barola na kanyeta ay na muru ka banko dinta ketora e ba su gudan ko la boy ni ga gaza atelle at 2021 ma fana atelle tarta na fikki ala ji pour ka mo la katka so sunya ka be dial ite kabri ya jame waro e ben sifal bari imaje sulate me imaje Gambia be ko ne yetelo ko mandi ka fay ko meeting ko West Coast ibe ñi munate yalla nako e mina mun sokla ji atela ben falkati am mo stupid ren leba musa MPP juwala boto mun bala 1 million skala awodi tala ko ita sonkol abe bandi an tapale ya diko say nun do ko mul use wala bu ka diam bayita ko ndefana na kulliru lay bala faaji alnana ngamunke manka munti mumundi mbabe satala imaje e bol ke kante e kamande mo yalan ko ni sitalan ka kan ite fatala nyin sifama ba ite fama mutala ba e be sugutan ko fala manola boy ni je ko musa susu aburaminto suguta e botaminto je ko la e be lodin sata o teba wato wate be nyum kuma kalanta fola wol ni baaji yo hena hana school din ngata podin ko toto ni bi da school abe mu jiyo o me ngoma e be lodin i fana wulu sata ko yalla bungul be salaji law bungul be boyndi mo be tubabu do ala bungo fasa be la ka kono kata ka be boyndi juma law boyndi masakunda e ko click ko le fasa sugudan ko le bule no fo yo dankale ajibe e balo be katara wusu wa kusu kasaren ko momo yalan ko abke ku fende fo e ka haram ko do le dom boy ite ke hakilo bla min to wafana ite ke hakilo bla mun ma fa ite la soto dole be kummo kala la sukure man la fonso ite man bala fawole no very sad man musa e ka juma le ko man ite la sato be problème ko adun arambaro lo laluka since lo problème ko kabrin arambaro man sakunda sit sugudan ko be kumbo da man e nyaajo man rafita kan ite mun nyande nyaajo fita still now ite bularo no me ka fele ko ye budgetol nat nan jang 3 million tapal watre amanga toñati yimbe mota adam baro la mo la banko ranke sol ko ate katin ko momri yalon ko yew tuwaw dinkulo ta ya fixal bala al miro be doaring no alla ko bala fa warama al mo la banko bla anioji boy musa West Coast yo dal mun be boy na be bura West Coast fete man bala fa soto ba suguda xane marché kenne ma so no to yara musa miro do ada miro do ada bakle atele marché o mi yanon kal nyanta kelo ko jana wondo nga musol be kumbo kanje e ga kreda sambo bursuli lo dulay kata marché da ka ila mbarol be boy e kana lo ka fa mo ke tebe fenkelo West Coast kono anata kala ji feta ba West Coast ko yol dangal West Coast ko atel lañu tuye afutara momon di yala doya ñi le mala West Coast din jawolti albe siral ñalbe feteri la ni futara ya al ka falen mama ni mama la wuluda ni mama wuluda ben toraka man samu yalon ko abon sul fama amama ñolti gambe banko ko adam baro mama te dula do gambe wayna musa e kafoma fadam baro wuludo sara musati bara bi adam baro fusara musati mo be la mon kumbonde ke kaka foma no musa to yaro ita mum sukuta din jaw balde sukuta be ko ne tele witketta be ni mu ngani jaw ya balde ita fang badil me kumbo kay nyanda ke nyal fita ita manta adama baro e kay ko be nyel kenom boyni kan kana boy abulaje e benna marso mum boyni kan kana marsol boyni marsol blaje far chamle alla dibito le silom dum dibito nyanda kata je ita nyanda kafla dibito mala bare wolum meji je Boubacar Jawara wulta janne kata sukutan ko la dulata ko diakata beton kala woto fonin kelo woli ko nga fanga ta lakira wala fi sare nyam playta wonu jwale ji sukuta fonin kol alal famuta musala karula abe nyimuna ta la kondem annal be kayna sukuta la alna be kayna jila akana so ayal yabal alla sato ko fo musa muneti akana mo fasa mu yalan ko tungaran kelo mate amama kunda o banko ka amama wuluje ese adam Gambia be yaita adam boro mawala bade ko jël musa na sukuta ding o bali yabukal la sato ko la kaka adam boro fasa ala ñantam nek la ñina sirfo sonko tata tiara commission de science ande ak mu ne kono min don na float nyar nga West Coast lo fo sukuta ban West Coast ko Musa Bali yab kala sato ko al nyabala isi mo fasa nyaw nyande ite fam fasa al kana so Musa ya al fe ala sato ko al tonya fay Musa man kam malaikati jinnatati hadama dinglo mate atata ni yaaja men nyin tapale asifala yaaja me asun kinata da fay maltu na bita nin kenol kata bi al duata o yabula ko ka ba ke kan ko taki ngi wax yin 3 million fo yin 3 million man sukura silo be da kliklin ko ada ay mum foten aya hafle asiata wote abe mum budget la ñili mun kata kayto bala ba ko bala fa warana definitely idda hanyinna alla suguran ko lebe kumbo kan ite lebe kumbo kan ngamre wolle buta karabala conference center ilaftela problème o satala masa ko namam pareya ame alaw boy debe lor nte o sato ko ten ibe sata ding hadani tan o 3 million bumun nan kamo boyta suguta asiara 3 million tri al damal be ñori pour la yaade adam baroya ñun tungaran ke ding no musa to ya moye danka de ad moye danka al dankaro mutati ma bakay bal dankaro ñu man futé ding la barakati ni meke ko yingel ben arjana because dim musu kende balle be bulo kon wala kene tara furu mo kennol ye bi wol felande wol be sika kay be samaka tamadula amanke la barakoti boy ite fam buto mutala ba yembere ding la ko la ba Felisat nol ya moy ko mfama ko ta ten ite fennole ma ite diamnole barabu ka die ite mansawo mansanare tennom ite yere la no man sa nyinke muta ke doya ngame dere ibodete le bala bikam fo banda gofono yalla mune yadne yi bayji ite fang buto muta sayam bang enyum kuma kalanta bula moli no taymo enin amal sankare enyum mun commencer alsi business jama yel no alal bari teta fenti ite ko di kando kala fol ay kandrek ko di kando rek ndan ni amal sankare alsi business jama yel no gambia fonni ko nyastil bari teta barkala nondo adamoro be nyun siramu kam feta ni no ibi kumba be fili falala ngare ko yo man sa pes da ya fa fenkele yi fan kam fane ko de kene façon patiyollo ko ya re mo sodo de salono ko si bota sato mun da barkatal adu ka nyo fasal bay tabe nyum munati fasalo tonya kan ko si man da tonya kan be fasalo nyaadi biyo bo xal jawra wulat mo minata taw sugutan ko lo dara kada kana beten kuy folo fi wor wa folo yitanya taw wulle ko bo xal jawra te kala jam munta la wu sato be na wul ka mo le ko nder be mo sabi jongo nyum nga sabi dikul nyum west coast school very sad fayta malon ko west coast musul li yolle la marsol boy fo mo la ko bonang bolon ko mul kana west coast marsol no adama baro bo west coast
yo mbade ngol mbele ko mol moy mi yalon ko le fotante la diamonte siala je ko kene nga o mira no ngamina ko pita mala ke baya be damen to ala experience be damen to hani mol ye ko mo fay on the social platform mun joko Facebook mun joko YouTube mun joko Twitter mun joko anywhere mu yalon ko mul ka benje ke hakilo dundi je anyan ala reaction should have been than how he reacted ala kuma kangol jawyata ala kuma kangol keta doyaade ko molti ko sita mol jibe no le ka foy ko sulol ni mol musulota te mominati that is a very disrespectful statement ni mul la fato nya fula pita war nga bay sa xel bu baax gis nga amna yo xamanteni bu nekké sa xel sa doko wax dafa am lu la koy téré wax te yow leer na li nga wax ni even soko waxe sax yow leer na li nga wax ni lu ñaaw la te li nga wax ni kula ko waxon lum nakare ñi nga xamanteni lool nga ñom nga ko wax non la lay naxare yow itam so we expected that dinga don ko xamanteni would have been a very responsible person because yow fofu nga tollu legi dinañ la wax dinañ la saga dinañ la tuumal dinañ la wax lu nekk you know, but if this is the level that you can go pour nga address a complete ethnicity lolu musiba na do layla waro nga baye sa xel bu baax ci li nga xamanteni lolu nga wax li expect wuñ ko woon si yow anyways di leen gërëm di leen sant di leen jaajëfal